I want to show you how you print in StoryMaker. So let's print a story. Let's print our fruit story. So you click on the story and then go down to under the tools, you'll see print. So click on print. Now as long as you have printers connected, you can print straight to them. You can also print to PDF. So we click on the PDF and it will automatically give you the PDF on the desktop labeled fruit PDF. So that's sitting there. So you could print it that way if you wanted. You can preview the story. And you can see, you can change some things about the story, how many sheets per page, whether the page orientation is landscape or portrait, the colours as selected, you can change those, the size of the picture region, if you want big pictures or smaller regions, and then how you want the text positioned as well. You can change all that, and you can even change the font size in this as well. So there's lots of flexibility, and then once you're happy with what you've got, just hit the print button and away you go.